Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about uPassive. Now this is a new product from Brendan Mace. It's released on the 30th of April at 9 AM Eastern. Now this is another one of the kind of funnel builders that Brendan Mace releases. And I want to go through this product and show you exactly what you get on the front end. I've gone through the front end and this is exactly the same product as Set and Forget, which was released several months ago. I'll actually leave a link to my review of Set and Forget down below, which I'm afraid is a complete waste of your time. So I want to go through this. I'll show you into the members area and then I'll show you the OTOs so that you understand exactly what you are going to be purchasing if you decide to buy this product. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the aim of the reviews is that you get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any types of products like this online. If you haven't been over to my channel before, I'd really love it if you can go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell so that I can let you know whenever I release the next videos. And guys, if you're really serious about building a long-term sustainable business online without using this type of push button software, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'm going to take you through the process step by step. So let's just jump straight back to the sales page. You get up to 4 passive income streams. You do it once and never touch it again. 100% free built-in traffic included, no monthly fees or expenses, 100% automated and easy. And I just jump down, 3 simple clicks. You pick any niche, you add your monetization, and you activate the free traffic. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. This data here means absolutely nothing. I don't know where it's coming from. It's not coming from anything to do with anything I've put into here. If I go to the campaigns, you have a campaign, manager campaigns here, or create new. You can go ahead and create new. The idea is you would pick one of these niches on the front end and this would be your campaign, or you can go ahead and select out of these niches and you can go and preview various landing pages to do with these niches, but they are so simple. I mean, I don't even know what this is supposed to be, but they've just taken random pages and actually added them into here as if this is something you can use. Now remember, most of these products are aimed at beginners, so I'm not quite sure what they think the beginners are going to be doing with these things. So there's all sorts of nonsense landing pages attached to here, but if I go ahead and I just look at the ones that we've got in here, there's some ClickBank products in here, some pretty big ClickBank products like Ted's Woodworking or CB Passive Income, which you can go ahead and promote anyway. You just go over to ClickBank and grab the link. And there's some various, there's 3 weeks diet here, acne no more. And then if I upgrade, I can unlock this 1,000 commission one, which will be just a high ticket program on ClickBank again. So you can go and grab that. You customize your page here. So the idea is I would come down here and then I would customize my page and I would put various bits of information here like my ClickBank ID, push notification script you won't have if you're a beginner, ManyChat script you won't have if you're a beginner, and your pixel code again you won't have if you're a beginner. And then you can go ahead and upgrade and grab your visitors' email addresses. Now when I clicked that, it just came straight back to this page. So, and it knocked everything else off. So I'm not quite sure what was supposed to happen there, but that doesn't work. If I go ahead and save and publish this, you'll be able to see the page here. That was a previous one I did. And you can go and view this page. So this is the opt-in page, this is the pre-sale page, and there's your automated traffic. Let me just jump over to my Funalytics a second. I'll show you exactly what's supposed to be happening here. So you're supposed to be going and joining an affiliate program on ClickBank, right, to get your affiliate link. Then you have the traffic, which I'll go into. Then you have an opt-in form, which you've just produced here. Then if they go through there, they go through your affiliate link, through to the sales page, and the idea is that they purchase. That's the way that this system is supposed to work. And if that upgrade works, which I don't know where that link's supposed to go to, then the email marketing here, it kicks in. So you end up having their email address. You can send some emails out, which you have to create yourself and then drive them back to the sales page. Just a standard affiliate funnel. No real issues with that. Obviously the big issue is the quality of this software. So I go ahead and I want to view these opt-in pages. Super simple. Nothing else you can do with these. You can't actually adjust them color wise or anything. It's just standard pages they're provided to you. And then the pre-sale page is just going to be the sales page of the actual product itself. So again, they've not really created anything there for you, and that's it. That's really all there is to it. I can go back and I can edit it if I want to. Let's go ahead and pick this one. Just view that one. That's Ted's Woodworking. Do the same thing. save and publish, and then there will be my page there. Again, I can't see where that page just went. So at the moment, this is not very good quality at all. So this is the automated traffic piece, and this is apparently going to be lots of backlinks. So it says how to publish in your campaign, set and forget, which is basically this product is set and forget, right? Which was released months ago, is going to generate hundreds of backlinks for your pre-sale page during the next 20 days. This will bring free traffic to your pages. Well, I'll come back to this in 20 days and see if anything has actually happened to here. But I am 100% sure nothing will happen to this traffic. It's backlink traffic anyway. It means absolutely nothing unless it's good quality backlinks. It's coming back to their page. The whole idea is completely false. It's designed to bring in newbies who think that this is some form of magic traffic, and it's really not, guys. Nothing's going to happen. So you're going to get very little traffic from here whatsoever. And the reason I keep telling you this is set and forget is if this, you look at my review that I'll leave below, this is the interface of set and forget. Does that look familiar? It's the same product. All they've done is change the name. So yet again, this product is completely useless and you're not going to get any value from it. If I look at the instant traffic, yet again, it's all these social media sites that, unless you've got a following on any of these social media sites, guys, you're not going to get any traffic from them. You're really not. Complete waste of time, that is. And then the rest of these are upgrades. So we'll go through the upgrades in a second, but these are all different upgrades of previous Brendan Mace products that he wants you to go ahead and purchase. This unlimited traffic is, again, they're apparently going to give you unlimited traffic over to your offers, but then they actually recommend that you point it towards set and forget so that you can make commissions. But of course, they're going to make money off that. And guys, if they can produce unlimited traffic, why would they ever need an affiliate to sell a product? They'd just go ahead and sell it all themselves and keep all the money. So that's nonsense. When I look at the support is an email address. It's not correct support. It's just an email, a Gmail address. So the support is just not going to exist either. Complete waste of time, this product. Let me just go back to the sales page. This is the sales page again, and I'm afraid these sales pages are just getting worse and worse to me. When I look down at this one, if I just do a reverse look up on this image here, this Google image, which is supposed to be financial proof that this works, there's the image there. If I scroll down, it's the same image that was used on a product called Beast Funnels, 5-minute profit pages, set and forget, one-page profits. All they're doing is repeating the same image over and over and over again. And you as a newbie are getting sucked into thinking these are mind-blowing results from just a few of the uPassive pages. So it's pretty specific to this product, guys. They're telling you this is uPassive and this is not the earnings from this product. So the rest of this sales page is obviously just nonsense. We go down right to the bottom. Let's have a look at the guarantee. Apparently it's a 30-day guarantee for this, and it's actually $17 on the front end. So that clock means nothing, guys. So guys, I would really recommend you keep away from this. It's a complete waste of your time. I will go through the OTOs just as a public service. You have the pro version here, which is actually $37. You have the done for you version here without the hassle of guessing, free traffic and dozens of income sources ready to go instantly. This is $197, but if you don't take it up the first time, the downsell is $100 off, so $97. OTO 3, unlimited high ticket commissions. That's again $197, and if you don't take it up the first time, it's $100 off, so it goes down to $97. OTO 4 is $67, proven to convert 100%. How would you like to steal our best affiliate funnel? So they're giving you more of their own products, which I would never promote anything from these guys because they are so low quality. OTO 5 is that unlimited traffic I talked about, which is $197, and again $100 off if you don't take it up the first time. And then OTO 6 is still uPassive and sell it as your own product. It's their actual licensed version, which again is $197 with $100 off if you don't take it first time. So guys, you've got to keep away from these products. This product would have cost you nearly $1,000 if you took all of the upsells, and it's not worth absolutely anything. If you want to go ahead and build these types of pages for your affiliate offers, there's many different page builders out there that are going to cost you a damn sight less than $1,000. All you need to do is learn how to use them. I will leave a link in the description down below for a video that shows you how to build a landing page in a product called Thrive Themes that I use. but there's Elementor. There's so many different ones that you can actually go ahead and use, which are much higher quality. So guys, I hope this review was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe and notification bell. And guys, if you're really serious about building a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I've got completely free training there that you can go and take a look at, and it takes you through the whole process step by step. Until next time guys, take care.